Are you looking for a reliable alarm system service provider for your home? Or maybe you want to tighten the security in your commercial property? Whatever be your requirement, we can help. We are a reputable alarm system service provider, serving our community for many years now. We use cutting-edge security products and have your safety in mind. We have provided alarm system installation and maintenance services to hundreds of residential and commercial properties in our area and would love to help you. Contact us today for a no-obligation consultation.